Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Building Public with regard to Nextdoor automation. Today I'll be reviewing a business opportunity that every bike doctor should start on Nextdoor, whether they're in the big cities or in the countryside. I made a quick search on on Google Maps to see bike doctors. There are plenty. There's only a few of them. But on Nextdoor, of course, you should start by having a proper profile setup in order to build your online conversion funnel, so that anybody encountering your publication should be contacting you without any problem. Make sure that your personal profile is set up, that your professional page is set up, your personal profile is set up. Create a group. That's where you should always post, because whoever sees a publication, whether it's in a group or not, will see it in their feed line. And as soon as they get interested in your publication, they might join your group and have a way to see your previous post easily. Whereas if your publications are not done in a group, then it's hard to find your past historical publications. The second point is, as usual, I recommend to create valuable content. Post at least 5 times a week. Better if it's 7 times a week. Among all these posts, post only one commercial post. You should not advertise your business each and every day. People get tired. People are experiencing ad fatigue, so you should be a friendly neighbor. Out of the 7 times a week, make only one commercial post. The rest of the time, be helpful, answer questions, bring your own grain of salt to comments, share good information you have in your neighborhood, good experience you had going to a cafe, to a restaurant, inform about any roadblocks or stuff like that. Yeah, just be a friendly neighbor. Once you have set up that, if you are lacking ideas, you can refer to let's say a calendar, like a yearly calendar that would help you give some publication ideas. Not everyone has every day something to say, so if you refer to a calendar that could give you some additional bullets on what type of content you could add. You can also refer to citations, let's say for example from famous people or famous cyclists, or if you want to celebrate a famous cyclist anniversary. That gives you, there are so many sources of interesting publications you can make. It's up to you to search for them. If you are lacking the inspiration, you can contact me. I have resources where you can find some more. Then you should then create your post, engage with your community, give reviews and recommendations. Do not hesitate also to team up with other businesses. I strongly encourage you to, and that's the core of this message, make events. So events, whether it's already related to your business. So in the case of Bike Doctor, organize once a month a meeting where you could be said in advance. Nextdoor is very practical for that. You can pin a post and add a geographical location, and you say for this Saturday from 2 to 5 I'll be at this address at the corner of so and so, and I'll be available for any fixing. I'll be opening my small truck shop, for example, and be available for any small repair or bike fitting required, bike checking and so on. You can do that on a regular basis. That will be very useful. People won't have to travel to your shop. If you have a small truck, a small car, you can be then closer to your potential prospects and establish a very good connection. Be also aware of comments and questions, or always be very fast to answer them to show your responsiveness. Use the shortcuts available that I've displayed in the previous video, where you can add URLs to send message directly to you using WhatsApp, for example. And then continue do that on a regular basis, and you will see your conversion funnel being filled on a regular basis with more leads. If people are interested in your personality and your type of business, they will join your group. Once they join your group, that gives you the opportunity to DM, direct message them with a promo code, for example. First a welcome, of course, but a promo code, and that's a way for you to engage with them and, for example, ask them to join a newsletter where you will be sending them useful information. Set up an emailing newsletter to send once a week. That's a bare minimum. More might be a little bit bothersome for some, but once a week, and where you could, for example, just make a recap of what you have done during the week, and you don't need to invent something else, something new. Sometimes it's just copy pasting what you have already created in the past, and most of the people will anyway would not have seen it. You can share specific information of upcoming events, and that's how you make your profile and your email newsletter alive. So if you have this type of activity and you lack the time or the energy or the ideas to do that, my company is specializing in automation for all these type of activities, whether you're a bike doctor or shop, cycle shop. Do not hesitate to give me a like if you like this video, dislike if you didn't like it. Have any comments, put them in the description below, and I will answer them in the future. Subscribe to the channel to see more of these videos if you like them, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Tomorrow, most probably. Take care. Bye bye.